parking lights. As you can see, it's dark. Let me turn on the headlight. What's up guys, Bobby here, Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. Today we're going to be working on the 2004 Honda Element again. I'm going to put some LED headlights. We'll check out how these are. Got these on Amazon, I'll put the link down below. And then I got some 6.5 Rockford Fosgate from the junkyard. Yeah, LKQ, but got them with a warranty. Can't beat it. $9 a piece. I looked them up online, and originally they're like $100 when they were new. They're a discontinued item, but they got pretty good power, and so it'll be a good upgrade on these. Later on in the video I'll show you how to take these off. It's real simple, but yeah, we're gonna do the LED headlights and upgrade the front speakers. I'll probably get, you can still get them on Amazon, so I'll probably get a pair for the rear so it'll match. Should sound really good. This is how easy it is to take off the covers on these. All you do, you grab a hold somewhere around here and just pull, and voila. So that's another reason why I'm upgrading. Paper sounds like crap, those should sound way better. So let's go to the other side, do the same thing. Oh yeah, and for the rear speaker it's the same way. Just grab it right here and pull it and it comes out. See, bam. But we'll change those on another day. Let's rip this one out. All right, 3 screws, let's take them out, and we might have to modify, we'll see. The only modification that I'm going to have to do is notch the plastic out for the speaker a little bit. I don't know if you can see that, but back in there I'll mark it and then I'll show you where I got to notch it. There's the 2 little notches I got to do. 2 there, 1 there, and 1 there. So 2 notches, and then the speaker will sit flush. And then I gotta grind that nub off right there, and we should be good. There we go, notched it out. Not the most beautiful job, but it works. Look at that, flush mount, fits in there perfect. Now just throw some screws in there, and let's do that to the other side. All right, they're all installed, everything's flush. I found out what I had to do because I couldn't get the driver's side one flush. So what I found out to get it flush was that I have to grind this down in here in the middle. So I'm going to do that to the driver's side. I thought I had it ground down over here. Don't even have to touch that. It's this, the tweeter. The mid-range and tweeter, or this is the mid-range, I don't know, whatever. This is a 3-way speaker, way better than a 1-way that was stock. But yeah, so if I grind this down, everything fits flush. So what I'm going to do now is do the driver one, and we're all done with the speakers. Let's see how the speakers sound. Let me get you some non-copyright music here. Streaming, go to my phone. Hey, for junkyard speakers, shoot. Come on, guys. All right, Now let's go with the LED headlight kit. Onto the LED headlight kit. It's pretty straight up forward. In there, unplug this plug right here, take out the bulb. On the other side, take off the little intake tube right here, and then same thing, take off the plug, take out the bulb, and replace. So let's see the before and after on the headlights. It's gonna be hard to compare because that's why I bought the LED lights. My driver's one went out, but there's the passenger. I'll put the high beams on, and then tonight I'll do another video. Oh wow, high beam doesn't even work. It was working. That's a little odd. Let's look into this. Dummy me. Alright, when I was checking to see if the bulb was still good, I did not plug it in right, so the high beam does work. So that's what the high beams look like. But again, like I said, I'll do another video at night. Alright, I already installed the passenger side one, and I have to say I'm pretty impressed on how they fit in there. That fits in there right there. That fits in there pretty well. Pretty flush. Get the camera angle right, there we go. But I know that's an aftermarket headlight now, because this one I'm gonna have to cut out the hole. That one I didn't have to, it's different. So I'm gonna have to cut it around right there, and that should be perfect and give me enough. So let's install the driver's side. And there's the driver's side. Perfect. I cut it perfectly and everything. Fits in there nicely. So let's test them out. Check that out. Man, I can't wait till tonight. That looks good. And like I said, I'll put a link down below. Like I said, I'm pretty impressed so far. You know, it's a China brand and stuff, but I like it. They're 6K, 12,000 or 120,000 lumens. And the fans are pretty quiet. Let's see if I can get you in there. I like them. Put on the parking lights. As you can see, it's dark. Let me turn on the headlights. Whoa. Wow. That is bright. That has never been so bright. I'm gonna have to adjust these suckers. Oh, brights are on. There we go. Okay, much better. That's pretty good though. Wow, that is nice. That is really nice. I like it. Brights. Heck yeah. Way better than the halogens that were on here. This is nice. I can see where I'm going now. Heck yeah. Best burger joint up the street from me. Drive through, always a line. Frosty Queen, right here on Chatsworth. God, I gotta get that alternator. Heck yeah. These headlights are nice. Yeah. Light up the street now. Love it. impressed with this brand. Like I said, I'll have a link down below. Good price. I think it was like 25 bucks. No, $25.99, yeah. Alright guys, that's going to end this video for the 2004 Honda Element on the upgrade on the speakers, on the doors. I'll probably do the back ones later on. And for the LED headlights, and I'll probably put a review on that on Instagram, so follow me there. So that's going to end this video. Please like, share, subscribe. Most of all, yes, subscribe. It's easy. So until next time, catch you guys later.